Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best Blueair Air Purifier Hepa H13 Large Room, the Blueair Blue Signature. This sleek, powerhouse purifier doesn't just clean your air, it reinvents how you experience it. Whether it's smoke, dust, pet hair, or lingering odors, this unit is designed to tackle it all, and look good doing it. So if you're shopping for an advanced purifier for your home, office, or studio, stay tuned for a deep dive into why the Blue Signature might be your next must-have. That's right, the flat top surface makes it a stylish and functional piece of furniture. Perfect for urban spaces where every inch matters. Under the hood is where the real magic happens. This purifier boasts Blueair's signature 7-stage HEPA silent filtration system. It combines mechanical and electrostatic filtration to capture 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.1 microns. That includes smoke, pollen, pet dander, and mold spores. But what really sets it apart is the odor fence filter, which goes after VOCs, gases, and unpleasant odors using bio-based enzymes and minerals. In fact, it removes up to 10 times more odor than standard filters. All of this with low energy use and whisper quiet operation, so you get cleaner air without the noise or spike in your power bill. The Blue Signature isn't just powerful, it's smart. With built-in Wi-Fi, it connects to the Blueair app, allowing you to customize settings, schedule cleaning times, and track both indoor and outdoor air quality trends over time. You'll also get filter replacement alerts right on your phone. Plus, it plays nicely with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, making it a perfect addition to your smart home setup. There's also Auto Fresh mode. Laser sensors track air quality in real time and adjust the fan speed accordingly. That means it learns your lifestyle and works in the background to keep your air consistently fresh. Moving on to user experience. The front features a glanceable AQI indicator that uses 5 color-coded levels to let you know the air quality at a glance. It detects motion and wakes up as you approach. The animations are playful and intuitive, like a dancing moon in night mode, bringing a touch of personality to air purification. It's these small details that really enhance the daily experience. To wrap it up, the Blueair Blue Signature is more than just an air purifier. It's a modern home essential. With cutting-edge filtration, whisper quiet operation, smart integration, and a thoughtful, dual-purpose design. This device ticks all the right boxes for families, pet owners, or anyone living in a large space up to 3,385 square feet. And if you're ordering from outside the US, like India, there's international shipping available. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another breakdown of the best tech and home gear. See you in the next one.